Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please subscribe, hit that notification button. If you are back, well, welcome back to my channel, which is all about reviewing electric cars, alternative energy, solar, wind, everything you can think about. You now can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Patreon. Thank you to all my patrons and my supporters. And you can become a patron, support this channel so I can give you honest reviews, and you can shop on my Electric Israeli store. Awesome stuff. And welcome to another video. Let's go right at it. All right, guys, here we go again. He can't help it. Elon Musk cannot help it. So this video is about a tweet that Elon Musk put the other day. And I'm going to show you the tweet. And he said that the tweet basically said in 2011 we produced 0 cars. And in 2019 we're going to produce 500,000 cars. And that, of course, can give investors the comfort, the comfort or the hope that they're going to sell so many cars, and it can manipulate Tesla stock. They basically predicted of producing 10,000 cars a week, which is a lot of cars. Then right away he amended it to say that's the inspiration, but in reality it's going to be around 400,000 cars, which, believe me, it's a lot. And of course, right away, SEC looked into the matter. Is it a violation of the agreement that they had when the famous tweet of funding secured, if you know what I mean, for the 420 stock price, which soared, which made Tesla stock soared. And on the news of the SEC, Tesla stock went down by 5%. It went back up again today. But I don't know about that. I mean, Elon Musk is Elon Musk, and investors are smart people, and they should be able to understand what is reality and what is an aspiration. I think there is a war between them. Elon Musk said, and I quote, "I have no respect to the SEC." He said it in no uncertain terms, what he feels about them and how they're helping the short investors in Tesla, and he feels about it what he feels about it. But he got to be careful. I mean, he lost his position as a CEO in Tesla as a result, paid $20 million in fine, and agreed that all his tweets are going to be monitored. But obviously, he is who he is. He is who he is. He says what he says, and as long as it doesn't look like a deception to me, or trying to manipulate stock prices, which is illegal and immoral, obviously. Sometimes when things like this are said in inspiration, or this is what I hope to happen, give the guy a break. The guy's changing the world. Having said that, it's not a license to break the law. It's not a license to break the law. That I'm against. That's not an excuse for anybody. But I feel like the SEC is looking for him to fall, and sometimes I feel like that he gives them reasons to pick on him and to go after him, and consciously or subconsciously he does these things. I'm not sure why, but you know what? There's a simple word that is called truth. Just tell the truth. Say, we are hoping, we are trying, we are aiming, we are predicting. But when you say things in certain terms, and people see this and say, "Oh, great! I'm going to invest now. It's time to buy," and then it's not the reality, or you say something else, and then it turns out that it was not what you meant. Then I can see why the SEC is go after. Now they want to get him. There's no question about it. But what I say, my 2 cents advice, is less is more. It's always been, life is all about less is more. The more you say, sometimes you create high expectation, and then it's hard to fulfill that. That's that, guys. If you have any comments on this, what do you think about this topic? I mean, I made few videos. It's one of my least favorite videos to make, the least favorite topic to make, because it serves no purpose. I don't think to accelerate the adoption of electric cars, which what I care about the most, and I know that what this Tesla is all about. So let's not shoot ourselves in the foot. Let me know what you think, guys. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time, and consider to become a patron and support this channel. Okay.